Is it too late to aerate my Bermuda lawn? And this is from Steve in Bartlett. So what do you think about that question?
Well, considering it's October, probably it's too late.
It's too late.
Because if you start aerating it now, then you're going to expose roots to the cold weather of the winter, because it's not going to have enough time to recover from that, because the grass is starting to go dormant.
Right.
You want to do that when the grass is actively growing, which would be, late spring, early summer, but not in the fall.
Right. Not in the fall. So let me summon my inner Booker T. Lee. Right? So he will tell you, right, if you're going to aerate Bermuda lawn, it would have to be in the summer, okay? Because the grass is actively growing, like you just mentioned. Not this time of the year, because you expose the roots. And if we get freeze?
I think we got down to 4 degrees this last winter, which for this area is pretty cold.
And believe it or not, that will knock back to Bermuda a little bit. We joke about Bermuda. It is a wee, but yeah, it'll slow it down a little bit. It'll come back, of course. And again, aerating is important because it opens up the soil. It allows for air, water, and nutrients to move throughout the soil bed. So that's why aerating is important.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to aerate your fescue lawn now, then you can do that. It's fescue. Right, it's a cool season grass.
And it grows,
This is the time of the year for fescue.
Cool season.
Right, it's cool season, but not Bermuda, because it is a warm season grass. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.